Yo, what's up, everybody? The Coyote Swap all motor look that is soon gonna change. Yo, what's up? We're here back at the garage here at Brzezicki Brothers Performance, and we just buttoned up the dual pump setup and the new fuel tank. It's a little bit overkill right now, but it's for future plans with the secret weapon. And we're about to take a look at where we're at, so let's have it. So we checked for leaks once. We're about to fire it up and check for leaks again for you guys. So we just installed the Fore double pump setup. Like I said, it's a little bit overkill, and these are the paperwork that they send you, and I'm gonna add it to all the other paperwork I have for the car. So this is like instructions of how to set up your fuel system and to help you wire it in. And then I have everything that I got for the car. So now that we got the fuel tank in, we can finish up setting up the Dakota digital gauges. We got paperwork for the, the control pack wiring and everything. So whoever finds this car in the barn find one day, they're gonna hit the jackpot. So we'll put all that paperwork to the side, and we're gonna show you our finished setup, basically. So we got the fuel pumps in, wired up, all ready to go, ready to fire up. So this is where I mounted them at. Just a basic simple spot. So this is how it's wired in. The control pack wiring is basically going to the remote wire, and the two fuel pumps get wired in, and they have plugs that plug into the fuel pumps down below, and I got that ran right through that hole. And then the power wire, this is the circuit breaker in case it gets too hot or overpowered. It will shut it off, hopefully, and won't burn anything up. We've had problems with the fuses where they kind of melt up. So this is the setup. That's how I got it wired in. There's the quick disconnect, and there's a shot of trying to get it of how wherever I got everything put. Now, hopefully I got the fuel pumps in the right spot. I know sometimes the tuners will, like them flip-flopped or whatever. We'll figure that out whenever I go to get it tuned. Right now, I have it set at 55 psi, and I think it jumps to 60, then down to 55, which I don't really like right now. But this is the little middle piece we helped out. We put a little bit of a bracing in here, so this basically will go in right here now. This will slide in right here. Slide this in, and then put the carpet back over it, and you'll never know it's there. And then we got the other plastic pieces, which they kind of need touched up. These were definitely painted black. We might have to paint them again, so we'll put them on, and then all this wiring will be hidden. We got the ground wire ran over through a hole down here, and we got it connected to the frame. And the positive is connected over here. This is the positive for the fuel pumps now. And it's all wired in and ready to go. So check for leaks. It's a nice brisk day here in February in PA. It's almost 40 degrees, which is warm for up here. So let's see what's up. Always got to check to see if it's in neutral. So let's go check for some leaks. Hatch holder. I need new struts. So let's see what the PSI is. It's a little high right now, so we're gonna have to mess with that. Well, kind of hard to see, but it's at like 55-ish. So might help out when we get it tuned now, since the fuel pumps are overkill. But this is what the dual 450 is in it right now, with the 03 Cobra foxbody specific fuel tank, the f2c controller, and the Ford Racing control packs wired up to it. And we still got the Ford Racing control pack tuned. I've been holding off on getting it tuned because we still need some stuff, and now I'm about to supercharge it. So we'll see. Hopefully funds will be available and we can have it tuned all motor and supercharged. Straps in, nothing's leaking, so that little bump right there is the fuel filter. Dakota digitals. Now still got to finish setting some of the stuff up. I've been putting off on that because I needed a new fuel tank. Now that we got one, I can set the fuel gauge. I just got to fill the fuel tank. They usually say to set it on the F150 setting, and then I think I gotta mess with the time and the speedo. So we don't have any leaks. Fuel pressure is still sitting, ain't draining too quick. But like I said, it's the dual 450s now. We put it in with the expectations of putting a supercharger on it. Otherwise, I would have just left the 340 in there or just did a single 450. But I wanted to have enough fuel for when that time comes, the secret weapon goes on. And yeah, you'll have to stay tuned for that. So keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in. keep watching what we're doing and keep sharing it. And I want to thank you guys. So till that next video, peace.